It's time to have a discussion about timing belt kits for your turbo-powered EJ Subaru. Hi, my name is Mark. I work here at Company 23, and in front of me, we have part number 575 and 576. These are timing kits for turbo Subaru EJ engines. So on the left, this fits pretty much everything up to 2011. And on my right is the kit for the 2012 to 2021 STIs. And do not forget the 2012 Legacy GT, RIP. So we're actually gonna unbox one of these and we're gonna see what's in it and talk about some of the features and benefits and why you need to choose a Company 23 timing belt kit for your next rebuild. So what I need to stress about our timing kits is these are OE components. So these are the same manufacturers of the parts that you could go buy from the actual Subaru dealership. So we put these timing kits together as something that we would run in our own cars, and I actually have one of these kits in one of my cars. The other one, the engine's still on stand, long story. But once we open up the kit, we're gonna have a few details right in front of us. So the first thing we're gonna notice is a thank you card signed by Mr. R. Matson, whoever that is. The next thing we're gonna notice is the actual belt and some fun details about the belt. So the belt actually has a minimum and maximum bend radius from the belt manufacturer. We actually designed our packaging specifically to meet these specifications from the manufacturer. So if you were to go into this belt and measure how far forward and backwards it's bent, this is all done specifically for a reason. So we're gonna pull the belt out. The belt is manufactured by Mitsubishi, who is the OE supplier for Subaru. And then we actually brand them Company 23 in-house as a way to know that it's our belt, give it a little bit extra flair. We're gonna set this aside. And just like all the factory belts, your timing marks are on here, which makes timing the engine using your Company 23 tools extremely easy. The next thing we're gonna do is unbox some of our components. So we have our smooth idlers, smooth big idlers, our small idler, our cogged idler, and our tensioner. So again, I'm going to stress this. These components all come directly from their respective manufacturer. The tensioner and the small pulley come from NTN. The cogged pulley comes from NSK. And these smooth idlers come from Koyo. All these parts are purchased directly from their manufacturer to ensure a secure supply chain. Make sure there's no China knockoffs, copycats, anything like that. There's a huge problem with that right now in the automotive aftermarket. Stuff that looks amazingly similar to the original equipment, but isn't. And if something goes wrong with your timing kit, something goes wrong with your engine, which means something goes wrong in your wallet, which is not something that we want. Each one of our components is laser engraved with the Company 23 logo. That helps us know that they are our parts. Also can help with resale if somebody's asking and wants proof that you used genuine components on your car. So we get a lot of questions too. What's the difference between part number 575 and 576? So I'm going to paint with a broad brush and use the STIs, for example. 04 to 2011 uses 575. The 2012 to 2021 uses 576. What's the difference? The kits are actually exactly the same except for the belt. And this is a little known fact that in 2012, Subaru actually changed the part number of the belt for the STI and the Legacy GT to a belt that is 1 millimeter wider. And for those who have been around the Subaru market for a long time, the 2012 to 21 STIs actually use the same timing belt part number as the old EJ25D. Now, why Subaru made that change, I don't know for sure. But what I can say is that we didn't ignore any detail in our timing kits, even the smallest one. So the fact that Subaru changed that part number for a reason, we made sure to also accommodate that with our timing kits. So we went the extra mile to make sure that no stone was left unturned when we assembled these kits. These timing kits are available at www.company23.com. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you're wondering about fitment for your car, shoot us an email, c23@company23.com. Shoot us a Facebook message, an Instagram DM, a TikTok message. We get back to everybody, so we're more than happy to help with your Subaru related questions. Thank you. Goodbye.